Hello Nurse Spam, I'm back with Friday's recipe, and in today's video we are going to do Gobi Manchurian, and it's really yummy, so let's get started. So the first and the main ingredient is cauliflower, so you have to cut them into medium florets, and then we'll put some water for boiling, and when the water starts boiling, put those florets in the water and just add little bit salt to it, and we are just going to boil it for say just for a couple of minutes, nothing else. Nothing much. And if you don't know, this is like an Indian Chinese appetizer recipe, so just boil it for 2 minutes, guys, nothing more. Then strain all the water in one big strainer, and then just put it for just put some paper towel and let it dry for a few minutes. So here are the first ingredients. There are three kinds of flour. It will be in the description box, the detail, and some few spices. So take in a bowl and add all the three kinds of flour we are taking right now. So just add all the flour, and the quantity and what kind of flour they are will be in the description box, so don't worry guys, as usual. So don't forget to check the description box for all the ingredient list. So now we're going to add these spices: turmeric, chili powder, and pepper powder, and just add chili powder according to your taste. So add little by little water, and you have to mix, and don't add water at once, guys, so we don't have to make it very watery. So add water little by little, as I said, and just keep mixing so there are no lumps, guys. Just be careful with the lumps and keep adding little water and mix. Mix. So I think you can see the consistency of this the batter we are making right here. See the consistency, so it's not very thick, not very thin. So now we have to fry. So take some oil in a kadai or a pan, in whichever you fry. So here we are dipping like each floret and putting it in the hot oil. So the oil should be hot, and you can check the oil whether it's hot or not. You can just put a little small teeny batter in the oil, and if it starts like frying and it starts coming up, it means the oil is ready. So just dip one by one and put it in the oil. So see how nicely they are frying. So you can do one by one, or you can put 2 or 3 at once in the batter and then put it for frying. Either way works for you, and just lightly turn it over so that they cook evenly all the sides. So we have to cook this like a golden brownish, not much. So now we are going to start taking them out, and see the color, guys. It's like a reddish goldenish color. So after frying, let's see the ingredients for the sauce. We are making it dry, but you still need the sauce, and the list will be in the description box. So take some oil in a pan and add the onions and the bell pepper now, and just cook it. You don't have to cook it fully. There has to be some bite, so it will be like a semi cooked kind of a thing, so you don't have to cook completely. So after that we are adding spice, which is salt, black pepper, and little red chili powder. And be careful with the salt because we are going to add the soya sauce, and soya sauce has a lot of salt like this we are adding. So just put little bit salt in the beginning, and later you can add if you want. And we put just some ketchup right now and cook it for a few seconds, as you see here. So now there goes the vinegar, little vinegar. Again, the quantity will be in the description box, don't worry. and there goes a little water so that this doesn't burn, and we give some time for boiling and it comes to a nice consistency. So that's why we are putting a little water, not much, and let it boil for a minute or maybe less. And then we are going to add this Maggie seasoning, just a few drops, nothing much. So now just let this sauce cook, yummy yummy sauce cook for, I would say, for 30 more seconds, and then add the cauliflower and make sure you coat all the cauliflower really well. And it's so yummy, oh my god. So now add the coriander leaves, and you can also garnish with the spring onions, so it's up to you. We did it with the coriander leaves. And yummy mouth-watering cauliflower manchuria is ready. It's my favorite. So I hope you like this video, guys, and if you try, please share a pic with me, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social media links, which are down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.